Hi guys, Andy Musso with Fresh Source Farms here and FarmFlow, the last microgreen software you're ever going to need. Today we're going to go over the billing process. A lot of people have had a lot of questions about this. So I want to make sure we kind of clarify some of these things today. So first off, the easiest way to get here is you're going to go under Profile and Preferences and click on Billing, and that will take you to the page that we're on now. A lot of the information that you probably need to know is up in this little initial set of paragraphs here, so you can read through that information. But basically what it's telling you is that once you select a billing plan, you can either choose yearly, where you see you're actually going to save a little bit of money. It would normally be $215.88, it's $183.50, or you can choose monthly. That's totally up to you. You can select either one and go back and forth. But once you actually choose one of these, a weird thing with Square, who we use to actually do the credit card processing, is that they will not allow you to change this until your first payment is made. So whatever you choose, you're going to be on that until that process is done. So don't get confused by that. It's just a weird thing with Square. But once you choose your plan and you hit save, it's going to automatically add your plan to Square's subscription system. And then from there, when your 30-day trial is actually up, you're going to receive an invoice automatically via email that you can pay online. And I would highly recommend you just save your credit card information to their system. And then that way it'll automatically bill you every month or every year, or however you decide you want to do it. That way you'll always have access. You don't have to worry about running into weird problems with the software. So just choose one of those, hit save, it'll automatically take care of it. I'm not going to do it on this account because I don't want it to create a test account in there, but you'll get the idea. And then basically once you have invoices in Square system, it'll automatically list them down here. The date will be there, the amount that's due, and it'll also allow you to actually click here to view that invoice, so you can view it online if you don't happen to get the email for some reason. So that's pretty much how it gets taken care of. So we don't collect any credit card information at all on our website. It all goes through Square's system. That's why we try and keep everything separate, keep your information and your credit card information safe. So if you have any questions on that, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll make sure I get those addressed. Thank you so much.